Hi and welcome to another EXELLECO virtual home presentation brought to you. This particular home is in Hinckley in Leicestershire and it is a beautiful condition 5-bedroom recently built detached house. It's in a pleasant cul-de-sac location in a quiet part of town on the outskirts, very close to the common and the golf course, so it's within easy reach of walks. To the left you'll see there's a double garage. It has a light, spacious hall with a downstairs cloakroom. And stairs leading off to the first floor. The first room we'd like to show you is the house's lounge. This is located off the entrance hall, and as you'll see it is a lovely long size with double doors leading out into the garden area. It's light and spacious and has excellent views onto the garden, which for this type of new build is a very, very generous size. Next we have what this particular house is using as an office space. It's a nice size, pleasant work environment with lots of light. Moving back across the hall, we have the dining room. Again, a nice size with pleasant views onto the front of the house. Moving to the rear of the house, we have a very large kitchen dining area. This benefits from fitted appliances, roof lights to the rear, and also a utility room off to your right as you look at this picture. This really is a generous space, and again with double doors onto the back garden area. And this is certainly a great space for any family members to congregate, eat together, and easily taking a table for 6. Moving out into the garden, it's a beautiful sunny day, so a perfect day to enjoy such a space. For a new build, this is a very generous plot. And it already has some nice mature bushes. There is access to the rear of the double garage to the right there. And as you can see, there is very little in the way of overlook of what is really a wonderful space. Moving back now through the kitchen, we also have to your left a downstairs toilet and sink area. This house is of course on 3 floors, so please stick around for the view of the top floor, which is in the form of just one large master suite with some incredible facilities. So we have a bedroom at the top of the stairs to the left, with built-in wardrobes and plenty of space. Excellent views of the garden, and as you can see, no overlooking from the rear of the property. This bedroom also has an ensuite. Moving across the hall, we have another bedroom. Again, a good size. Just along the landing, we have a full-size bathroom with large shower, very generous bath, and of course it's got a fitted suite to a very high standard. Moving down the landing to the front of the property, we have what could easily be another bedroom, but in this particular case it is being used as a separate TV snug, which it suits very well. Pleasant window to the front of the landing, overlooking the front of the property. Moving across the landing, we will have one final bedroom on this floor. And this again is a nice double size. So on this floor we have a total of 4 bedroom spaces, one of which is being used as a TV snug at the moment. Bedroom 2 at the rear of the property is also a very generous size for a second bedroom, and as you've seen benefits from a large ensuite and walk-in wardrobes. Approaching the top floor, this is given over to an entire master suite. It really is an incredible space in this design. The room runs right from front to back of the property. And to give you an idea of scale, the bed that you can see there is a very wide bed. I'm not quite sure which fitting it is, but having been in the room with it, it's incredibly wide and it is easily swallowed by such a big space. The sloped ceilings front and back feel very comfortable and don't seem to impede your head height at all. There is also lots of light that floods in through the windows. Moving through, we have a very generous ensuite bathroom to this master suite. Again, very high quality fittings with a Jack and Jill sink unit. Excellent shower, and again, a large bath. Turning left and moving back to the front of the house, we also have a wonderful additional feature of a walk-in changing area with built-in wardrobes. As you can see, this is a very generous space that is almost the size of a bedroom in itself. Moving back through the master suite, we return to the landing, leading down to the first floor. As you can see, the place is in fantastic decorative order throughout. And being only a few years old, there is very little in the way of wear. So just moving down the stairs into the hall and back to the front door of the property. We thank you for taking the time to look through this video of this beautiful 5-bedroom house in Hinckley, Leicestershire. This has been another virtual presentation brought to you by EXELLECO. We thank you for your time.